My Roomba's missing. It's like having a new kitten. So yesterday I started it and I sat down to doom scroll instead of cleaning the kitchen, and then I got up and cleaned the kitchen and made something to eat, and then I went, oh shit, where the fuck is the Roomba? And I walked through the house and I'm like, oh, she got the bathroom like I wanted. But she also got into my room, which wasn't planned. And then when I was coming back through, excuse me, I noticed that my son's bedroom door was open, and I'm like, shit, under his bed's a mess. I hope she didn't get stuck under there. And he said that she wasn't under here. He looked. But, I mean, I don't see her either. Where the fuck did she go? What'd you do to the Roomba? Huh? Where's the Roomba? I know you don't like her. What'd you do with her? Huh? Where's the Roomba? Where is it? Tell me your secrets. Noodle.